Welcome to the Buckin Flamingo.
Chock full of charm, color, and cool stuff, the Buckin Flamingo is a Pawhuska shopping paradise.
It's a unique variety store with home decor, metal art. We have spices and rubs for all of your cooking. We have essential oils. We have really about everything you could think of. Our goal at the Buckin Flamingo is to make sure you leave with something you've never seen before, and hopefully we've treated you enough ways that you're bound to like one of them.
Here you'll find everything from Bigfoot to birdhouses, minions to mariachis. No two products are exactly alike, and all are handmade by artists.
You can put this stuff inside your house, on the outside of your house, in your yard, on top of your house. You can put it in your basement if you want. Anywhere you want a little fun area, this is the place to come shop.
Julie Vanscoy was headed back to Broken Arrow when she spotted the storefront's 8-foot flamingo and stopped.
I had to come in, check it out. They got good stuff over here, which I'm gonna have to get more for son. They got stuff back there, which I'm gonna have to get for my husband. And I could like take everything home.
Everything here is gonna make you smile. If you buy a gift for somebody, they're gonna look at it and they're gonna think of you every time and they're gonna smile. We do nothing but specialize in the fun stuff here.
There are thousands of things to see, with new truckloads arriving every few weeks. Flowers, fun signs, and flamingos, of course, are some popular purchases.
We have so many top sellers. Birdhouses are one of the top sellers. We have tons and tons of different styles of birdhouses, teepees, Converse shoes, UFOs, you can't believe it. We have handmade Mexican blankets that are wonderful for everything you could dream of to use a blanket for.
Not only do they have beautiful things to dress up your home, they have beautiful pieces to dress up yourself. They have the highest quality turquoise you can find here. A huge collection, everything from necklaces to bracelets to rings to full sets.
I cannot tell you how great of a selection of turquoise we have. It's the very best you're gonna find anywhere in the state of Oklahoma, I guarantee it.
The Buckin Flamingo. It's a standout store on Main Street, Pawhuska.
I love it. It's perfect.
There's not a mass chain of these stores, there's only one of them, the world famous Buckin Flamingo. And you're guaranteed to have a good time every time you come in, and we're gonna treat you right.
Welcome back out here. Yeehaw!
In Pawhuska, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.